Today I am reviewing the Acer Nitro 60N60-640 UR21 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, future-proof gaming desktop that combines performance, aesthetics, and connectivity, the Acer Nitro 60N60-640 UR21 is a standout option for 2025. Designed for gamers, creators, and anyone who demands high performance, this desktop packs some serious hardware in a sleek 30-liter chassis that's both bold and functional. Starting with the core processing power, the Nitro 60 is equipped with the Intel Core i5-14400F core processor, capable of reaching speeds of up to 4.7 GHz. This means whether you're gaming, streaming, or running demanding productivity apps, your system handles multitasking effortlessly, delivering fast, responsive performance without lag. The addition of 16GB DDR5 RAM, expandable up to a whopping 192 GB, ensures smooth operation across multiple applications and lightning-fast load times. When it comes to graphics, the Nitro 60 shines. It's powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, featuring 614 AI TOPS of processing power and 8 GB of GDDR5 VRM. This GPU isn't just capable of running AAA games at high frame rates. It also enables real-time ray tracing, NVIDIA DLSS4, and incredible content creation capabilities. Whether you're editing videos, rendering 3D models, or diving into VR experiences, the RTX 5060 delivers crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and next-level realism. Acer hasn't skimped on cooling or design. The Nitro 60 features an ARGB lighting CPU cooler with U-shaped copper heat pipes, ensuring your desktop stays cool even under heavy loads. High airflow blades keep temperatures low, while the built-in ARGB LEDs provide stunning, customizable lighting effects with 16.8 million colors. The desktop's overall aesthetic is bold and modern, with aerodynamic contours and cooling air venting bezels that look as good as they perform. Connectivity is another major highlight. With Wi-Fi 6 and Realtek Dragonland, you can enjoy low-latency online gaming, and a Nitro 60 includes multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 and Gen 2X2 ports, a USB Type-C port, HDMI 2.1b, and DisplayPort 2.1b connections. This ensures ultra-fast data transfers, easy peripheral connection, and high-speed networking. Bluetooth 5.3 is also included for wireless devices. Storage and power are equally impressive. The desktop comes with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, providing lightning-fast boot-ups, game loading, and application launches. Coupled with a 650W80 plus gold power supply, the Nitro 60 is efficient, stable, and ready for future upgrades. To summarize, the Acer Nitro 60N60-640 UR21 is a complete gaming and productivity machine. From the 10-core Intel i5 processor to the RTX 5060 GPU, DDR5 memory, PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and cutting-edge cooling system, this desktop delivers top-tier performance for gamers and creators alike. It's VR-ready, future-proof, and packed with features to maximize your gaming experience while keeping your system fast, cool, and visually stunning. Whether you're a competitive gamer, content creator, or just on a high-performance desktop that won't slow down, the Nitro 60 is a serious contender for 2025 gaming rigs.